Let's get to the big political news break coming in this hour. Congress launching an all-out attack on the BJP and central agencies over the arrest of a BJP Yuva Morcha leader Pamela Goswami in Kolkata after she was arrested for possessing 100 grams of cocaine. The amount of cocaine in her possession falls into a non-bailable offence category. Pamela claims, however, that she's been falsely accused. Congress's Shama Mohammed has in fact questioned the BJP, saying, and I quote, the BJP government unleashed the NCB after Riya Chakrabarti for allegedly smoking a small quantity of marijuana. But now BJP leader Pamela has been caught with nearly 100 grams of cocaine. The entire country is waiting for NCB to file a case against her. Pamela, however, has claimed that she's being framed. Let me take this across now to Prema Rajaram, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Prema, this arrest of a BJP leader has triggered a big political fight. Several opposition leaders have questioned what kind of action is going to be taken against Pamela Goswami. One, can you tell us, the exact sequence of events, what led to her arrest? Second, how has the BJP reacted to this?
Well, Akshita, as far as what led to her arrest is concerned, Pamela was arrested on Friday when she was outside a cafe in New Alipur area. She was with Prabir Kumar De, who is the other accused in this case. And when she was arrested, what we know is that the police had prior information, and which is why they swooped in on her car. And what had also transpired is that her father had reportedly written to the police about his daughter going off track and going the wrong direction because of Prabir Kumar De, who he alleges was the reason behind Pamela getting into narcotics. So this is what the father had written, and reportedly on basis of that, the police started tracking her and then also discovered that she is a BJP leader. Whether that was incidental or not is something that is yet to be seen. But at this point in time, the father and the mother are also in talks with lawyers to see what's going to happen next. Pamela will be produced in court in a short while from now, where I am right now. And what we also know is, as far as the political angle is concerned, Pamela is a youth leader of the BJP. The senior leaders have said, like Dilip Ghosh has come forward and said that if it is she who is found accused, if she's guilty, because the law will take its own course, then of course the law will do whatever needs to be done in this case. But if she's falsely accused in this case, as Pamela has alleged, then the BJP will revolt. But the Trinamool Congress has said, we saw one minister from West Bengal who said that many more such things will come out in future when it comes to the BJP and their workers or their leaders. The Congress, like we heard you saying, that the Congress is saying that when it is about Riya Chakrabarti, then there was so much that happened. It was the other agencies that were behind Riya. But when it comes to almost 100 grams of cocaine being found in possession of Pamela Goswami, why nothing is being done? So political angle playing out on one hand, and the other hand, the investigative part of it as well. Back to you, Akshita.
So interestingly, the Bharatiya Janata Party hasn't come out to defend Pamela in any way, Prema. They're maintaining their distance. They say that she's a junior leader and that if there is any proof against her, action must be taken. So they're not coming out to claim this is a conspiracy like Pamela has.
What really to do when it comes to this particular case. We must remember that the West Bengal Assembly elections are drawing close. The BJP wants to keep its cards very safe. They don't want to really put out what they're going to be doing next, or really protect Pamela in a way to speak out in favor of her. Right now they're saying that let the law take its own course, but if at all she's found guilty because she's a BJP youth leader, then the BJP will revolt. So that is what the BJP is maintaining at this point in time. Back to Akshita.
Okay, Prema, thank you for those details. Pamela Goswami, a BJP youth wing leader, arrested in Bengal. She had in her possession 100 grams of cocaine. The Congress is saying, why isn't the Narcotics Control Bureau swooping in the way they did against Riya Chakrabarti? The TMC saying this is the beginning of many more such arrests.